In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage returns and exchanges in Shopify efficiently. It's essential for any online business to have a solid returns and exchanges process to maintain customer satisfaction and streamline operations. Shopify offers an integrated platform that simplifies this complex task by allowing you to manage everything directly from the order page. Let's dive into the details of how you can use Shopify to handle returns and exchanges seamlessly. First, accessing the particular order in your Shopify admin is the starting point. Navigate to the order section where you'll find the Return in Progress section, indicating that there's a return request. This section is your main hub for initiating and overseeing the return process. Once you're ready to process the return, click on Process Return. Here, you'll review the items being returned and select the ones you're expecting to receive back from your customer. At this stage, you'll also decide if and where you want to restock these returned items. It's crucial to make these decisions carefully to maintain an accurate inventory. Next, let's talk about handling exchanges, a key feature Shopify offers. If your customer has requested an exchange, you'll select the replacement items to be sent out. Additionally, if there's a need to refund shipping costs as part of the exchange, you'll enter the amount during this process. This way, you ensure that both the inventory and customers' expectations are managed effectively. When it comes to issuing refunds, Shopify gives you the flexibility to process these either immediately or later. The platform allows you to refund the amount back to the customer's original payment method, making it straightforward to close the financial loop of a return. Managing the return is an ongoing process where Shopify excels. You'll find that you can track returns and make inventory updates all from the original order page. It keeps all order history in its place, providing you with a comprehensive view of each transaction and its related actions. Shopify also empowers you to set up self-service returns, a feature which not only saves you time but also enhances the customer experience. By enabling this option, your customers can initiate returns on their own, according to the return rules you've set up. You'll even have the option to offer them pre-printed return shipping labels for added convenience. Finally, clear communication and automation are vital components of a smooth return process. Shopify provides numerous tools to send automated notifications to your customers throughout the return journey, ensuring they are informed and reassured every step of the way. This level of communication contributes significantly to building trust and satisfaction with your customer base. By utilizing these features within Shopify, you can create an efficient and user-friendly return and exchange process that not only meets your business needs but also keeps your customers happy. Remember, the key to success lies in the details and consistency of how you manage each return and exchange. Happy selling!